Hello everyone. Here I am going to discuss this illustration which contains 27 examples of figures of speech. It is an eye-catching, attention-grabbing cartoon which perfectly illustrates the figures of speech. Actually, we can get a couple of idioms extra also from this, but that we'll discuss in the end of the video. Now I'm going to name these idioms, explain them and give examples for them. The first one we have here is cat got your tongue, which is used when someone is at a loss of words and is unusually quiet. For instance, when my friend was quiet the whole evening, I asked, "What is the matter with you? Has the cat got your tongue?" Next, we have time flies and also on the wings of time, which mean time seems to move very quickly. People say time flies when we are having fun, and that is really the truth. Now let's take an ace up your sleeve. This refers to secret knowledge or a secret skill that can give you an advantage. I heard that the defense attorney has an ace up her sleeve, a new eyewitness. To spill the beans is to tell someone a secret or reveal something prematurely. I spilled the beans about the surprise party my sister had planned for our dad, and she was really mad at me. Kick the bucket means to die. The old women kicked the bucket at the age of 90. Born with a silver spoon means to be born in a wealthy family. Richie Rich was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. Now let's take carry all your eggs in one basket. This is to concentrate all efforts and money in one area. We can say in these difficult times it is better to invest in different things. We should not put all our eggs in one basket or we might lose everything. Wear your heart on your sleeve is to reveal your emotions clearly. It was evident he was in love with her, he wore his heart on his sleeve. Hitting the nail on the head is saying something that is precisely right. Mark hit the nail on the head when he said the company was lacking in clear vision and focus. Loose screw is to be crazy. You have got to have a few loose screws to believe that this is a good idea. Cold feet is doubt strong enough to prevent a planned course of action. The bride got cold feet just before the wedding and she called it off. Something fishy means something doesn't seem right. There is something very fishy about him. While fish out of water means not comfortable because you are in an unfamiliar situation. We did not know how to make the new student comfortable. She looked like a fish out of water. Tie the knot means to get married. They decided to tie the knot in July. Living in your shadow is to feel or seem unsuccessful in comparison to someone else. She has always lived in the shadow of her beautiful sister. Piece of cake means very easy. The school assignment was a piece of cake. Bird brain is a person who lacks intelligence. You must be a real bird brain to go on a long drive without petrol in the car. Cherry on top, an unnecessary but welcome addition to a desirable outcome. The bonus was a cherry on top of the promotion and raise. Chalk and cheese means completely different. For example, they both are twins but both are like chalk and cheese. Knock your socks off is to impress someone in a very strong, favorable way. This song will knock your socks off. A red herring is something that takes people's attention away from the central point. The police investigated many leads, but they were all red herrings. An earworm is a situation where one song comes to your mind again and again. I have an earworm. That tune from the new commercial keeps playing in my head. In a nutshell is to put in the fewest possible words. She explained the story in a nutshell. On a silver platter is to make it easy for. She did no work expecting to get everything on a silver platter. Now we also have rags to riches. Pull up your socks. Shadow of his former self. Bird's eye view. Put your best foot forward. Hard nut to crack. I'm sure there must be few more, but I'm done. Bye for now. I hope you enjoyed solving this riddle with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any feedback, you're most welcome to share in the comments below. Thank you.